Hello everyone, my name is Kamal. I'm a blockchain developer, and today we would be taking a quick look at the Bsquared network, which is an EVM compatible Bitcoin layer 2 network, and they have their Odyssey quest going on right now, which can lead to a potential airdrop. Chances are high. So this is the dashboard for it. As you can see, I have completed some of the points, and my rank is under 30,000. Now, all other tasks are pretty easy to do, and some are still in the alpha phase. But there's a task by Mason which is not very easy to achieve. And today I figured it out and thought of making a video so you guys would not have to face much problems in completing this. So for completing these tasks, you first need a Unisat wallet with some Bitcoin in it. You can get it from the faucet easily by doing some of these tasks. But right now we would be taking or focusing more on Meson and how we can get these points. So on Meson we can go to, so how would you go to here is you would swap to B square with gas station. You can click on there. Now it says, yeah, so eventually you would reload to find this page, and you can connect your wallet using MetaMask. So you would need both MetaMask and Unisat wallet for doing all these tasks. Now, first we are doing the swap to B Square testnet with gas station. Now I have a pretty much guide from the Meson team, and which shows it, and all the links would be down in the description. Now what we need to do is, so it says swap to B square, so B square needs to be on the two part. And now we can do here like a 1 USDC, because now you can see the estimated fee, but we would click on need gas, and we can adjust the amount to, let's say, 2 USDC. Now if you're doing a 2 USDC, you need to provide the amount greater than 2. So you would have this much amount of BTC on the B square testnet delivered. Okay, let's now complete the swap. So now my MetaMask would, now this would ask me to confirm. So now I can do simply swap. Now you can see my estimated fee went from zero point 0.5 to 0 USDC, which you can do as part of the early supporter discount, like I just did. Now you can see from Avalanche Fuji, I'm getting 3 USDC to B Square testnet. Now, if you need Avalanche Fuji USDC, what you can do is go on faucet.circle.com. It happened to me that I also had USDC on other networks, but eventually you would need it from this Circle faucet, and you can see only Avalanche Fuji works. I have another guide for it. This is also from the Mason team that I got to know. So you would eventually need only Avalanche Fuji. You would need to paste your address out here for the faucet to deliver you. And then if the limit has not exceeded, you can get it from the faucet, or the other way is going in the um, through the AVAX testnet faucet site. Uh, the link would be down in the description. But once you have the USDC, it gives you 10 USDC. Now you can just confirm. If you're sending from a hardware wallet, just checkbox this. Now, yeah, we would be sending 3 USDC, and we would be receiving the 1 USDC and the BTC worth of 2 USDC as well from the gas station. Now we have confirmed the transaction. Now it's requesting for a swap, and it's waiting for the match um, from the other person who would be doing the swap. And now it is generally very fast. It just takes some minutes to do the transaction, and then we would see these points getting updated. Let's try to do the third task as well. Um, let's go to the site. Let's connect. So I've connected on my. Now we would need to put the B2 testnet on the from part, right? Now I have 4.6. Now I can put like 2 USDC. So now I'm trying to withdraw it. Now on the recipient, we can put our address as the recipient address, and let's do the swap out. So this would be approving. So first you need to approve that you are good to send P Bitcoin layer 2 testnet to Avalanche Fuji. Now you can set I would set the maximum so that I don't require all the time approving. And eventually you can see that. So let's refresh to see if it succeeded. Yeah, we succeeded. We got the plus 50 points, and we are done with the first of the task. Now this is asking us to confirm from B2 testnet to Avalanche Fuji, and you can see that I can do three number of transactions every day with this early supporter discount. Now I would sign it. Again, I would get BTC as part of the gas station. Now it would request for a swap. Now we will wait for a while before this completes. And it says the swap was successful. Right now I can share the poster with my friends. I can save it eventually, and I can share it as well. Now let's try going back to the Bsquared task page, and let's try refreshing this. And yay, whoa, we got the 100 points from the Mason and ultimately 150 points here. And now, as you can see, my rank eventually came from less than 30,000 to 3,000. And so it's not that much easy to do, but not that hard to. You just need to be a little bit careful and a little bit careful, and you should know some things for doing the transactions. And as you can see, by just doing all these transactions and these tasks, you can easily get under a good rank. And yeah, so that's how you do all the tasks on the Bsquared testnet and complete the Mason task. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.